I'm going back to 5:05. If it's a 7-hour flight or a 45-minute drive, in my imagination you're waiting, lying on your side, with your hands between your thighs. Stop and wait a sec. When you look at me like that, my darling, what did you expect? I probably still adore you with your hands around my neck. Oh, I did last time I checked. Not shy of a spark, the knife that twists the thought that I should fall short of the mark. Frightening by the by, no is no harsher than the bark. A middle of adventure, such a perfect place to start. But I crumble completely when you cry. It seems like once again you had to greet me with goodbye. I'm always just about to go and spoil the surprise. Take my hands off of your eyes too soon. Well, I'm going back to 5:05. If it's a 7-hour flight or a 45-minute drive, in my imagination you're waiting, lying on your side, with your hands between your thighs, and smile.